interested, buddy.
We have lots of presents to wrap. You can help me.
Hey, Donner, correct me if I'm wrong. I know you will, but I think something's wrong with your dog.
Wow, do you think he's air sick?
The air's a little thin at this altitude.
Maybe he's cold. Do you think he's cold?
It's partially cloudy, but warm.
Or maybe he's just hungry.
What, after eating my slippers?
That's it. He's hungry. What do you think, Blitz?
Are you gonna let me answer?
Come on, Murray, hop on.
Guess not.
Let's hit the Elfateria and see what's cooking, buddy, huh? You know those elves make a mean shortbread. Get it? Because they're short.
Oh, Pluto, if only I hadn't yelled at you. I promise I'll never raise my voice again. Oh, no! Oh! How am I going to find you?
Hey, what's your name, little fella?
Mickey Mouse.
So tell me, Mickey, what do you want for Christmas?
Well, it's kind of a long story, so I'll cut to the chase. I was decorating my house like always, but Minnie said I shouldn't. And I said I wouldn't, but I couldn't because Pluto broke it. And I yelled, so he was in the doghouse, but he wasn't in his doghouse, and there was this crazy snowplow, and then... Oh, wait. This isn't cutting to the chase, is it? Let me start again. So anyway, Santa, Pluto's gone. All I want for Christmas is my best friend back.
Well, gosh, I mean, that's a pretty tall order. I'll see what I can do. Smile!